Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear browsing data when you close out of the Microsoft Edge web browser. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Microsoft Edge web browser if it's not already open, and then select the menu icon in the top right corner of the browser window with the three horizontal dots. So I'll click on that. And now you want to go down to where it says settings near the bottom with a little gear icon next to it. Now you want to select the privacy and security option on the left side. And now underneath clear browsing data includes cookies, history, passwords, and other data. Left click on choose what to clear. And now where it says always clear this when I close the web browser, you want to toggle this to the on position. You can keep however much or little you want to clear automatically when you restart your web browser. So they already give you suggestions here such as browsing history, cookies, cache data, as well as tabs you've set aside or recently closed. But it's not currently set to delete download history, passwords, website permissions, and whatnot. So just keep that in mind, but you can customize this list by just either checking or unchecking any one of these individual boxes. And that's pretty much it. So once you have it toggled in the on position, if you close out of Edge, it should automatically clear out any of the selected browsing data features whenever you close out of your browser. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.